Hey, what's going on? Welcome to Backyard Smoke. I'm your host James, and today we're going to be grilling up some Caribbean jerk chicken on the Weber Kettle. If you've never had Caribbean jerk chicken, super spicy, but it's really good. I'm going to show you guys how we marinate it, how we go ahead and season it, and how long we cook this. So come on, let's go. So the first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and get our marinade ready. We're going to start off with the Caribbean jerk from Kroger's. Use about 2 bottles of this. And we're just going to go ahead and pour it in the bowl. And we're going to go ahead and doctor it up because the stuff really isn't that spicy. So we have to kind of get a little bit more flavor to it. So we're going to take out 1 cup of brown sugar. We're going to go ahead and mix in some of our jerk seasoning. That's going to be our primary seasoning on our chicken. We're going to put that in the marinade, as well as some garlic powder, some paprika, some kosher salt, and a little bit of coriander. So we're going to mix these up, put them in our little hefty bags, and then we're going to go ahead and just let them in the refrigerator for about 4 to 6 hours. I love chicken thighs. They're going to really absorb this marinade. It's going to taste great, and also going to go ahead and give it a nice flavor once we put that on the grill. If you want to really kick it up a notch, add in a little bit of cayenne. I didn't put any in there because we got some people over that eating this aren't really into spicy, but definitely the cayenne and maybe any other spice that's pretty hot will definitely be acceptable. So after the 6-hour marinade, we're just going to go ahead and remove them, put them on a wire rack, and let them drain, and just kind of slowly warm up from the cold. We don't want to put cold food on the grill, but we don't want this like warm where it gets unsanitary. So what you'll do is lay it on the wire rack, and you should be doing this while your grill is heating up, so that way you'll know you'll have about 15 minutes, give or take. And we'll also go ahead and add in some seasonings right on top of these, just to give it an extra layer of flavor. So we have our pit set up for an indirect cook. We're using B&B lump charcoal. It's one of my favorites. It's all natural and it gives it a really nice clean burn. We're just going to go ahead and wipe it down with a little olive oil. This will just help so that your chicken will not stick once it's on the grill. So now we're going to put our chicken on the grill. First thing that we're going to do is put it on the side with the coals. We're going to go ahead and give it a nice sear and just lock in that flavor. You don't have to leave it here too long. I do about 3 minutes per side, or until it looks like the char is where I want it at. For chicken thighs, I usually cook them to about 170, 175. You can't overcook them like a breast. There's a lot of fat in there. So go ahead and let them get a nice crispy char that you're looking for with this Jamaican jerk chicken. So after a few flips, we start getting that nice char, those lines. We're just going to rotate them a little bit. Don't worry about the dark look. That's a lot of sugars and stuff. Just go ahead and let it roll. That's just flavor. Once it gets the color that you like, move it to the cool side of the grill to go ahead and finish off. Like I said, I like the temperatures between 170 and 175. And that's just, it's going to taste good, guys. Trust me. So right here we're just probing them, checking the ones that we think are done. And after this we're going to go ahead and just pull them. Let them rest for about 5 minutes and enjoy. Alright you guys, so we are done. Check this out. We got some smoked corn here, some rice with a little bit of mango salsa, and the jerk chicken with some green onions, drizzled in mango salsa, and just a nice lemon for some taste. This was an amazing cook. I love this. I love doing recipes with chicken thighs. Just going to get a bite out of this first because I can't wait. So juicy. The flavors are there. This is wonderful. This is a good bite. The char from the smoke from the grill, you can't beat that. Sorry, took too big of a bite. I was hungry. But you guys, if you like this recipe, check it out. Also, feel free to subscribe. We'd love to have you guys around for all summer if we're going ahead and cook it up. And yeah, man, y'all God bless, man. Thanks for watching Backyard Smoke.